Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we will see a very healthy salad recipe, and it's sprout salad packed with vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, protein and antioxidants. This sprout salad makes a valuable addition to any diet besides aiding in weight management, as they are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce craving. So let's see how to make this healthy and delicious sprout salad recipe. So first I'm going to roughly chop some lettuce, which will add a crunch to our sprout salad. I'm using here green lettuce, but you can use any other lettuce of your choice. Alright, this is done. I'll keep the lettuce aside now. Next, in the mixing bowl, I will add some green moong sprouts and some kala chana sprouts or black chickpeas. Along with this, I'll also add some sprouted kabuli chana or white chickpeas. And now we will add some colorful veggies. Here goes some chopped English cucumber, some chopped tomatoes, chopped carrots, some chopped onions. And to add a fresh flavor to this salad, I will add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. I'm not going to add the lettuce now, as they tend to become soggy when we mix with the salad dressing. So the next step is to prepare a flavorful salad dressing. For that, we will take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we'll extract the juice of half a lime. For seasoning, we'll add some salt and black pepper as per taste. Next goes a teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs, which has got dried garlic, oregano, thyme, basil, parsley and chili flakes, which will greatly enhance the flavor of the salad dressing. And now we will mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined, and our flavorful salad dressing is also ready. Now let's pour all of the prepared dressing over the salad. And now we need to toss the salad really well so that the dressing is well combined with the veggies. Alright, tossing is done, and now time to serve our salad. So first I will place the roughly chopped lettuce in the salad bowl, which will form the base of our sprout salad. And on top of the lettuce goes our healthy and delicious sprout salad that's packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein and antioxidants. And for some crunch and extra dose of nutrients, I will add some chopped roasted almonds. That's it. Our sprout salad is now ready to be enjoyed. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and delicious sprout salad recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy and interesting salad recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.